All it takes is one conscious breath, one conscious decision to shift your life in a new direction. In today's pranayama breathing practice, we'll focus on moving energy through the mind and body so that you feel refreshed and energized for your day. Our first breathing exercise, bring the hands up towards the face, lift them up as you inhale through the nose, and bring them down as you exhale through the mouth, letting out a sigh. Inhale up through the nose, exhale down with a sigh. Now double speed, up and in through the nose, down and out through the mouth. Now inhale the arms straight up over your head, stretch up and begin the breath of fire in and out through the nose, little sniffs, bringing your navel in on the exhale, filling up on the inhale. If you're on the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle or pregnant, take this long, slow, deep breathing, and also take this long, slow, deep breathing if you prefer that over breath of fire. Slowly let the arms come down. Now for breathing exercise number 2, we're going to take our arms up, elbows bent at our sides, and begin inhaling left through the nose, exhaling right through a sigh. Take this at your own rhythm, as slow or as quickly as you prefer. Let it feel really good, opening up the spine, the heart center, just moving energy, chakra balancing, and let the arms slowly come back down. Take a moment here. Feel your inner power, that free-flowing energy. Our third breathing exercise, bring your hands out in front of you, palms up to the sky. Inhale in this position, exhale, bring your arms back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out a sigh. An opportunity to go double speed now or stay at your perfect rhythm. Inhale the arms straight in front of you. Begin the breath of fire or long, slow, deep breathing. Take whatever you prefer today. Inhale in, stretch, and let the arms come down. Focusing on our breath, our breathing for just a few minutes a day can have a profound effect on our life. Feel into that inner power, get to know it, meet it, return to it. That's you. Take a nice stretch over to the left side. Don't let your hips come off the floor, stay rooted. And just begin to breathe a few gentle breaths, opening up the side body into the other side. Stretch over to the right, letting this feel good, staying rooted, breathing into the side body. Our next breathing exercise, interlace the fingers in front of the body, palms facing down. We're going to inhale the hands up to our third eye, back down to the navel. Up to third eye, down to the navel. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Your breath might be super gentle, your breath might be super deep, whatever is perfect for you today, do that. Now the opportunity to go double speed, deep breathing, cleansing breaths for any energy that's ready to move through your heart. Now inhale the arms up overhead, look right between your eyebrows, stretch up, and let the arms float down. Now let's circulate energy through our shoulders and neck by inhaling shoulders up to the ears and exhaling them down. Inhaling them up, squeeze, and then exhale, bring them down. Now jump the shoulders up and down quickly, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Breathe, breathe and move them up and down. Almost there, circulating energy all through your shoulders, your neck, into your brain. Inhale the shoulders up to the ears, hold the breath, squeeze the body, and let it out through the mouth. Feel the benefits of having a daily pranayama practice of these deep breathing exercises to circulate your energy. Now slowly walk your hands out in front of you, letting your third eye move towards the ground. It doesn't matter how far forward, just move to where feels perfect and keep those hips rooted. Let your mind and body relax and integrate all of this energy. Breathe deeply and slowly, a nervous system reset, your nervous system regulating, and slowly come back up for our final breathing exercise. Right thumb to right nostril, block it off. Take a deep inhale through your left nostril. Switch the block off your left nostril, and exhale through the right nostril. Take this long, slow, deep breathing. You're just simply inhaling through the left nostril, exhaling right nostril. Repeat. Inhale left nostril, exhale right nostril. This breath, inhaling through the left nostril, exhaling through the right, allows you to access your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest, the space where healing occurs. Feel yourself consciously regulating your nervous system, expanding your capacity to give and receive and be present in this life. To me, the beginning of Kundalini awakening is simply becoming conscious of your choices and choosing things that expand your well-being and choosing things that expand the well-being of others. Last few rounds here. Stay present, inhaling through the left nostril, exhaling through the right nostril. This is an amazing breathing exercise for anxiety or to calm the mind. Wherever you're at, on your next inhale, hold the breath in and let it go. We'll seal our pranayama practice by placing one hand on our belly, one hand on our heart. Breathe in gently, feeling your belly and your rib cage expand 360 degrees on the inhale and letting that fall out on the exhale. Feel free to stay here in seated meditation for as long as you can. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're feeling your inner power during these guided breathwork and pranayama sessions, be sure to tap that subscribe button for more empowering guided sessions like this.